Good evening. Welcome to Valley Express News. We bring you the snippets of top stories. MHA issues clarification on order allowing the opening of shops. MHA release states in rural areas all shops except those in shopping malls are allowed to open. In urban areas all standalone shops, neighborhood shops and shops in residential complexes are allowed to open. Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Girish Chandra Murmu, extend greetings to the people on the commencement of holy month of Ramadan today. Jammu and Kashmir government ordered reopening of bakery shops and allowed home delivery of dry fruits in the entire Union Territory. These steps were taken on directions of Lieutenant Governor G.C. Murmu following the inclusion of these two businesses in the list of permitted business in the Government of India notification. J&K Congress has extended his warm greetings to the people on the eve of auspicious occasion of holy month of Ramadan. Divisional Commissioner Kashmir Pandurang K. Pol today visited Civil Secretariat Srinagar to inspect preparations and other measures on spot against current COVID-19 situation for the upcoming Darbar move, which will partially open. To ensure health security of the people at large, local militants will be buried at safer isolated places, told official sources to Valley Express News today. Two militants and militant associates were killed in an encounter which broke between security forces and militants in Goripura area of Avantipura in South Kashmir's Pulwama district on Saturday morning. With 1,429 more cases, COVID-19 cases reported in the last 24 hours, India's count of COVID-19 cases has reached 24,506, said Ministry of Health and Family Welfare on Friday. Out of these, 18,668 patients are active cases and 5,063 cases have been cured, discharged or migrate. The death toll stands at 775 with as many as 57 deaths reported in the last 24 hours. J&K breaks the 1,000 test barrier, 1,071 sample tested in the last 24 hours, but that also means more positives, so 40 new cases today, all from Kashmir. Total positive cases are now 494, in which 57 cases from Jammu and 437 cases from Kashmir. Total number of deaths are 6. Police booked a person for texting abuses or threat comment in an inbox of official Facebook account of District Police Ganderbal. Ramsu police foiled bovine smuggling bid by rescuing 131 bovine animals and arrested 7 bovine smugglers. 17 patients, including a non-local, discharged from 3 hospitals. 17 persons who were hospitalized after testing positive for COVID-19 last month were discharged from 3 Kashmir hospitals today after repeatedly testing negative for the infection they had contracted. Association of Kashmir appealed recovered coronavirus patient to donate plasma. Security forces on Saturday launched a search operation in Udhampur town following inputs about presence of some suspects in the area. Mosque in hotspot area of Bandipora sealed. Authorities Saturday sealed central mosque in Bandipora area that is being declared as hotspot for COVID-19 infection. 140 Kashmiri laborers who were stranded in Shimla left Shimla for Jammu and Kashmir on Friday evening. Srinagar police booked 19 persons for defying government orders, acting tough against the violators of government orders. Subdivision Sadar registered 8 FIRs and arrested 19 violators defying government prohibitory orders issued by District Magistrate Srinagar regarding the COVID-19. Communal anchor complaint filed against Arnav Goswami in Handwara, Jammu and Kashmir. Zamindar Forum Saturday registered a complaint against TV anchor Arnav Goswami at police station Handwara for relating Palghar mob lynching. Thank you for watching Valley Express News, the dawn of truth.